Alright, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me because it's raining outside. Just unboxed my spoiler that I ordered Friday and I got it Thursday the next week, so I got it under a week. It's a knockoff Sequence Devil Wing, I think it's what it is. It's from Beyond Basics on eBay. I ran across it saying it was $195 total, shipping and all. And that's the cheapest I've seen with shipping included. Most places you can see them for 140, 120 bucks, but then shipping is like 50 to 80 to 100 bucks. So some people already told me when I said I was getting it, so get so and so, it'd be a better direct fit and better quality. And I'm pretty shocked about how this is for as cheap as it was. I mean, got a little gap there, but I think by the time you bolt it down it'll go away. But I'm going to work on it and I'll definitely get the fit better. And just same thing over here, little gap, but after some tape and screwing it down it probably fit better. I'm sure the other stuff ain't no different. I was worried about being so cheap is that this would probably be really thin, and shockingly it don't fit. It doesn't feel that thin. It feels pretty solid all the way through. So I was thinking I was gonna probably have to lay some glass across that to reinforce it, but I don't think I have to. Reason why I went with this instead of paying top dollar, I've learned in 25 years of doing paint and body work that I don't care if you spend top dollar for this stuff or buy cheap. Top dollar is just as much junk as the cheap stuff is, and you still have to put the same amount of work and effort to make them look nice and be good. I mean, if somebody wants a direct bolt and just send off the paint, and it's got some little waves and ripples, but I don't see any pinholes in it. I mean, just a few little areas like these edges probably could be rounded off better. But if you just want to scuff and shoot it, I mean, it won't be perfectly flat. You'll see the waves in it depending on the color. But I'd say it's pretty good. Now what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to probably cut this out and re-glass over it and make it flat all the way across. I think it's stupid. It's just kind of probably trying to say you have some kind of mount in there so it would adjust, but the wing doesn't adjust. There's no reason for it. And the one thing I know that's better about this wing than the ones everybody's telling me I should get that'd be better fit, it don't say Sequence on the side. And the funny thing is, you'll get these wings and they'll say Sequence here, and on the other side it's just a mirrored print and it'll be spelled backwards saying Sequence. And I don't want that crap on there. I don't want to advertise for them, even if it was a Sequence, unless they paid me. That's it. But that's the wing from Beyond Basics on eBay for $195. I'm kind of impressed. It will need some work, but I think all the wings need work. I've never seen one that doesn't. So when I get done working it and ready to install, maybe I'll set up some pictures and videos showing you what I did. One thing I'm not going to do is use their quote-unquote assembly kit, freaking wood screws. I'll get machine screws and some tubing and make some crush sleeves and bolt it down to where it's going to be solid and be there for a while. This you put in there, yeah, it'll screw it down for a while, but as you drive down the road it's going to waller out the hole in the other wing, and this is going to vibrate loose and the wing's going to come flying off and you're going to be, where'd my wing go? They did send me double-sided tape. I'll probably go ahead and get some actual true 3M instead of this cheap generic stuff they probably sent. But all in all, I'm impressed for the price. So check back later or look for videos of the work I've done to it and when I install it. Later.